While reading a story, we tend to think that it is told by a writer. But in fact, this is a misleading assumption that might have negative consequences when it comes to analyzing narrative texts. In this short video, you will learn who is actually telling a story and why it is so important to distinguish an author from a narrator. Indeed, it is an author who has written a story. The narrator, however, is a fictitious construction whose voice we hear in the story. A writer's choice of a narrator determines the point of view of the story, the vantage point from which the story is told. That is why a narrator can be embodied by a variety of characters like animals and fantastic creatures. Basically, there are two types of narrators, a homodiegetic and a heterodiegetic one. The homodiegetic narrator, sometimes also called first-person narrator, is a character that tells the story. This type of narrators uses pronouns like I, we, me, etc. The homodiegetic narrators can only present things which they see, hear, feel, know, and think. In contrast, a heterodiegetic narrator is not a character in the story. Since the heterodiegetic narrator usually knows everything that is happening in different places at the same time and even inside the characters' minds, it is often referred to as an omniscient one. Thus, a narrator carries out the same function as a camera. We see and experience the world of a story through his eyes.